Hello, I'm Alex, the Technical Support Specialist. In this video, I'll talk about the Lightning-Link chemistry and the key aspects to consider when using our kit. We hope you'll find this video useful. If you have any more questions, you can contact us on the email displayed. Lightning-Link is the fastest, easiest to use, and most efficient method of labeling antibodies. This technology relies on amine chemistry. The kits have been optimized for labeling IgGs, which, like all other antibody species, have multiple primary amines distributed across their surface. Other biomolecules can also be labeled with this technology as long as they contain reactive primary amines. To ensure successful conjugation, two aspects are important. Firstly, the buffer. Ideally, we recommend having your antibody in amine-free buffer at a fairly neutral pH, such as PBS or MES buffer, with as little additives or preservatives as possible. We have a list of components that are compatible with the conjugation in our protocols and FAQ page. Our kits have been optimized for use with antibodies at 1 mg per ml concentration. However, we understand that sometimes that's not possible. It's safe to say that using a 2 mg per ml concentration antibody would also generate good quality conjugates. However, using antibodies at lower than 1 mg per ml concentration can result in unbound label post-conjugation. For conjugating other biomolecules, the optimal concentration may differ. We have a guide on labeling non-antibody molecules with Lightning-Link that explains these concepts in more detail.